Studying Greek archaeology in Athens is a truly hands-on experience. Our students learn how to use their eyes, their hands and their brains in order to make sense of the past. In Athens, we teach you the who, the what, the how and the why of Greek art through the study of objects, through the study of texts and histories.
My name is Niki and I study philosophy in the University of Athens. It's a great pleasure to study humanities in Greece, where philosophy and democracy were born.
My name is Thanos and I study classical philology at the University of Athens. Right now, I'm standing in the library building of the School of Philosophy, which is the second largest library in Greece and one of the largest libraries in the Balkans.
I visit often the library of the School of Philosophy because here I can concentrate and also I can enjoy the use of a great collection of books which help me in my homeworks or in further study. I regularly come to the library with a friend in order to study together and exchange opinions.
The library offers a huge collection of both printed and digital material, which any student or researcher might find necessary. If you look closely, you'll notice that the library of the School of Philosophy has a really amazing design, because right now we're standing under the page of an open book.